Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can delete face emoji on Snapchat. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Once you have the app open, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, select the settings icon at the top right corner of your profile page. Here, you will see all of your Bitmoji options presented in front of you. To delete a specific face emoji, simply select the target Bitmoji that you want to remove. After selecting it, look for the option that says Remove my Bitmoji. Tap on this option and you will be prompted to confirm your action. Once you confirm, your selected Bitmoji will be deleted from your Snapchat account. And that's basically how you can delete face emoji on Snapchat. If you ever decide to create a new Bitmoji later, you can always do that from the same settings menu. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.